Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to teach trick to remember all tenses with sentence structures and examples. The very first one is present tenses. Present tenses is used for now. Present simple, regular actions or facts. Structure of present simple is subject plus verb base form. For example, I eat pizza every Friday. Present continuous. Present continuous is used for action happening now. Structure of present continuous is subject plus am is are plus verb ing. For example, I am eating pizza right now. Present perfect is used for action completed recently. Sentence structure of present perfect is subject plus have, has plus past participle. For example, I have eaten pizza already. Present perfect continuous. It is used for action starting in the past and still happening. Structure of present perfect continuous is subject plus have, has, been plus verb ing. For example, I have been eating pizza for 30 minutes. Now we move ahead on past tenses. It is used for before, past simple, action finished at a specific time in the past. Structure of past tenses is subject plus verb past form. For example, I ate pizza last night. Past continuous, action happening at a specific moment in the past. Structure of past continuous is subject plus was, were plus verb ing. For example, I was eating pizza when you called. Past perfect, action completed before another past action. Structure of past perfect is subject plus had plus past participle. For example, I had eaten pizza before you arrived. Past perfect continuous, action that had been happening before another past action. Structure of past perfect continuous is subject plus had been plus verb ing. For example, I had been eating pizza for an hour when you arrived. The last one is future tenses. It is used for later. Future simple, action that will happen. Structure of future simple is subject plus will plus verb base form. For example, I will eat pizza tomorrow. Future continuous. Future continuous is used when action that will be in progress at a certain time in the future. Structure of future continuous is subject plus will be plus verb ing. For example, I will be eating pizza at 8 p.m. Future perfect. It is used when action that will be completed by a certain time in the future. Structure of future perfect is subject plus will have plus past participle. For example, I will have eaten pizza by 9 p.m. Future perfect continuous. It is used when action that will have been happening for a certain period in the future. Structure of future perfect continuous is subject plus will have been plus verb ing. For example, I will have been eating pizza for an hour by the time you arrive. Now we move ahead on the last thing, essential thing, super quick memory trick. Simple is for action, fat, regular. For example, I eat pizza. Continuous is in progress. For example, I am eating pizza. Perfect is completed. For example, I have eaten pizza. Perfect continuous is ongoing and still happening. For example, I have been eating pizza. Always picture pizza in every tense. It's tasty and easy to remember.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.